In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Hootsuite's access to your Facebook account. It's a straightforward process, and I'll walk you through each step to ensure you understand how to do it with ease. Let's dive in. First things first, open up your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you like to use. In the address bar at the top of your browser window, type in facebook.com and hit enter. This will take you to Facebook's login page, where you'll need to log in to your Facebook account by entering your email address and password. After you've entered your credentials, go ahead and click the login button to access your account. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your Facebook page. You'll notice a down arrow icon which acts as your account menu. Click on that arrow, and from the drop-down menu that appears, locate the option labeled Settings and Privacy. Hover over or click on this option to reveal a secondary menu and choose Settings. This action will redirect you to your Facebook settings page, where you'll have access to a variety of options regarding your account's privacy and management. On the left-hand side of your settings page, you'll find a sidebar containing different categories. Scroll through these options until you reach Apps and Websites. This section is specifically designed to manage third-party applications connected to your Facebook account. In the center of your screen, observe tabs named Active, Expired, and Removed, among others. We're particularly interested in the Active tab since it showcases all the applications currently linked to your account. Scroll through the list of apps within the Active tab until you find Hootsuite. Once you've spotted it, you have a couple of actions to choose from. You can either check the box next to Hootsuite or click directly on it to highlight it. This approach makes sure the app is selected for removal. After selecting Hootsuite, search for the Remove button, typically located near the app details. Click Remove to begin the disconnection process. A pop-up dialog will emerge asking you to confirm your intent to remove the app. Simply click Remove again within this dialog to confirm your decision. By completing these steps, you have successfully revoked Hootsuite's access to your Facebook account. This means Hootsuite will no longer have permission to interact with your account or any related data. Remember, if at any point you decide to reconnect, you can always follow the same procedure and add Hootsuite back to your list of trusted apps. It's always prudent to regularly review and manage which apps have access to your social media accounts to maintain control over your personal data and privacy. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for you.